Are your videos stuck at 0 views? Do you feel frustrated uploading content only to get no response? Don't worry, you're not alone. And today, I'll explain why this happens and how to fix it. Let's start with the hard truth. Impatience and a lack of proper setup are the main reasons your videos aren't getting views. I've been there too, uploading videos to a new channel, hoping for results, only to face disappointment. Here's why. When you upload videos to a brand new channel without any prior activity, the YouTube algorithm doesn't trust your channel yet. It might even flag your channel as a bot or spammy, causing your videos to be ignored. But don't give up. There's a simple solution. Step 1. Create your channel. Don't stress about the name. It can be anything for now. The goal is to get started. Step 2. Warm up your channel. This step is crucial. Before uploading any videos, use your new channel to watch content on YouTube. Focus on longer videos like tutorials, documentaries, or e-commerce topics, such as Shopify or eBay. Watching these types of videos shows YouTube that your channel is managed by a real person, not a bot. Step 3. Interact with content. While watching videos, take some time to like and leave comments. Do this consistently for 4 days. This activity creates a positive signal to YouTube, building trust and ensuring your channel won't be flagged as inactive or spammy. Step 4. Upload your video. After warming up your channel for 4 days, you're ready to upload your first video. With this foundation, your chances of getting views will significantly improve because YouTube recognizes your channel as authentic. This method has worked for me and countless others. So, if you're stuck at 0 views, try it out and come back to let me know your results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might need this advice. Thanks for watching and good luck.